Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024-2023 Cadillac CT5-V. In the realm of sport compact cars, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V emerges as a formidable contender, seamlessly blending exhilarating performance with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. As the latest addition to Cadillac's esteemed V-Series lineup, the CT5-V represents the perfect fusion of power, agility, and sophistication, setting a new standard for excellence in its segment. At the heart of the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V lies a potent 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Cadillac's rear-wheel drive platform, the CT5-V delivers breathtaking acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the CT5-V accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in its segment. But the CT5-V isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver agile and precise handling. Cadillac's engineers have fine-tuned the CT5-V's suspension, chassis, and aerodynamics to provide exceptional agility and responsiveness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with ease. Whether navigating city streets or attacking the racetrack, the CT5-V offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V exudes an air of modern elegance and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, aggressive front grille, and signature LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The CT5-V's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by features such as 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and V-Series specific styling cues, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the CT5-V offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to indulge the senses and enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Cadillac's user experience infotainment system, Bose premium audio, and wireless smartphone charging provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V represents the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and technology in the sport compact car segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the CT5-V sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms Cadillac's commitment to delivering unparalleled driving experiences. Whether cruising along the highway or pushing the limits on the track, the CT5-V promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.